Good morning, class. Let's start with the topic etching process. Okay, so etching is one of the very important step in IC fabrication. Okay, so as we have been discussing different steps used to create interesting and useful structures in integrated circuits. So we know that there are basically two kind of steps we use. One is to creating layers, okay, and second step is to pattern those layers, okay. Okay, so the etching process combined with photolithography or lithography for that matter is used to pattern the layers, okay. So what etching means is that to remove etching means to remove a layer of material, okay, and that layer is removed selectively, okay. What it means to remove selectively will be clear in some time, okay. So for now, imagine that let me draw a substrate, okay. Here we have got a substrate, silicon substrate, and over this again, let's say we have got a oxide layer, okay, like this, okay. Now what we want to do is remove this oxide layer, okay. So for example, one case may be that when we have stored or we have kept our silicon wafers in our lab, and what happens is that the silicon gets oxidized very easily even at room temperature, okay. So when we get our wafer, so already a thin oxide layer is present all over the wafer, okay. Even though we have not performed any oxidation, and it is very necessary to remove such oxide layer or any other residuals or contaminations from the silicon surface before beginning any of the processing steps, okay. So if we so removal of silicon dioxide from silicon substrate, in this case it comes in means such process or such processes are called as etching process, okay. Okay, so what happens is that in etching, if this is SiO2 layer, okay, so what we do is that we basically remove this SiO2 layer, okay. Okay, so removal of layer of material, okay, and to remove a material layer, and most of the time we try to remove selective materials or selective layers from above the substrate, okay. So that process is called as etching process, okay. Okay, so now we will go to different types of etching processes, okay. So basically there are two types of etching process. One is One is wet etching and other is dry etching. Okay, so wet etching is basically done using a chemical in liquid form. Okay, that we will discuss in a short while. And dry etching is another important method. And what happens is this dry etching method mostly involves plasma based techniques. Okay, so we will be going through some of these methods one by one. Okay, so as I already said, wet chemical etching involves an etchant in liquid form, and dry etching most of the time it involves plasma, or maybe sometimes we use sputtering methods for etching the purpose. Okay, so now let's begin with wet chemical etching method. Okay, so what we do in wet chemical etching is okay. For example, we have our wafers. Okay, so what we do that we hold our wafers, and basically uh, we have to immerse our wafers in the etchant solution. Okay, so we have got etchant solution which is a liquid. Okay, and that liquid is used to etch the uh, thin film which we want to remove. Okay, so basically there are two ways in which this is done. Okay, so one method is your immersion method. Okay, so immersion method was very popular in the beginning days. And in immersion, what you do that you have got etchant solution, and you simply dip your wafers in the etchant solution, and you have to basically shake your wafers. Okay, so maybe I will explain it in Hindi. Okay, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, लिक्विड फॉर्म में एजेंट सॉल्यूशन लेते हैं. एजेंट सॉल्यूशन में हम लोग वेफर्स को डिप करते हैं और उसको क्या बोलते हैं, खूब हिलाते हैं. ओके, तो मे बी हम सॉल्यूशन को हिलाते हैं, कंटेनर को और वेफर को भी उसके अंदर हम लोग शेक करते हैं. ठीक है नहीं, सच दैट कि आपका जब एचिंग होता है, ओके, तो जो आपका वेफर के नजदीक, सरफेस के नजदीक जो एजेंट सॉल्यूशन और जो यूज हो चुका है, या फिर साथ में जो बाई प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, या फिर जो फिल्म रिमूव हुई है, तो सारा मटेरियल बेसिकली वॉश अवे हो जाना चाहिए. एंड फ्रेश एजेंट मतलब जितना पॉसिबल है वो आपका आए. ठीक है नहीं, तो बेसिकली इस केस में जो आपका ये जो मेथड है एचिंग करने का, इसको हम लोग कहते हैं इमर्सन मेथड. ओके, देयर इज अनदर मेथड which is called as spray method. Okay, so spray is better in a sense because okay, spray method में क्या होता है कि basically you hold your wafer and you supply fresh etchant. Okay, okay, fresh etchant all the time. Okay, is available. So what happens in this case, that fresh etchant is available, okay, all the time, okay, on the surface for etching. Okay, तो फ्रेश, अगर आपका फ्रेश एचेंट अवेलेबल है, मतलब आपका जो एचिंग होगा वो बेस्ट पॉसिबल रेट पे हो रहा होगा. ओके, ओके, सो बेसिकली ये दो मेथड हैं बेसिकली आपके हाउ टू अप्लाई एचेंट सॉल्यूशन टू द सरफेस ऑफ सबस्ट्रेट. ओके, तो एक में आप क्या बोलते हैं, वेफर को डिप करते हैं, शेक करते हैं एचेंट सॉल्यूशन के अंदर. दूसरे में आप एचेंट सॉल्यूशन को स्प्रे करते हैं वेफर सरफेस के ऊपर. ओके, okay, so now we will see, so these are two types of wet chemical etching method. Okay, but if you see different steps ओके ओके मतलब कैसे आपका एचिंग होता है बेसिकली, ठीक है नहीं। तो अगर एचिंग के अगर आप स्टेप देखें तो इट इज लाइक मोर और लेस लाइक सीवीडी विद सम डिफरेंस। ओके, सीवीडी में आपकी फिल्म डिपोजिट हो जाती है, इसमें आपकी फिल्म जो है रिमूव हो जाती है, जो ऑलरेडी डिपोजिटेड थिन फिल्म है वो आपकी रिमूव हो जाती है, ठीक है। तो अगर हम लोग इसमें स्टेप्स देखें, ठीक है नहीं, तो फर्स्ट आपका जो स्टेप है वो आगा आपका कि, ठीक है, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं कि जो आपके केमिकल रिएक्टेंट्स हैं, ठीक है नहीं। केमिकल रिएक्टेंट्स बेसिकली क्या है आपके एजेंट। ओके, सो इन दिस केस एजेंट इज योर केमिकल रिएक्टेंट। ओके, एजेंट सॉल्यूशन, ओके ओके, is brought to the surface of the thin film which is to be removed। ओके ओके, तो जो भी आपको फिल्म रिमूव करनी है उसकी सरफेस पे आपका क्या बोलते हैं एजेंट सॉल्यूशन आना चाहिए। ओके, नेक्स्ट is when you apply agent solution, okay, so you have to ensure sufficient amount of agent solution, okay, sufficient amount, or you can say concentration of agent solution, okay, concentration of agent solution, okay, and for etching to occur, if you want etching process to happen, you want adequate temperature, okay okay, and adequate temperature, okay। तो ये adequate temperature में भी आपका वेफर्स का तो नहीं होगा इसका, बट जो adequate temperature of एजेंट सॉल्यूशन, ओके, आपको एक टेम्परेचर प्रोवाइड करना पड़ता है सो दैट सो दैट सो दैट केमिकल रिएक्शन, ठीक है नहीं, केमिकल रिएक्शंस ऑन सरफेस occur, okay, and this leads to leading to some byproducts, okay, which get produced by chemical reaction between the thin film which is to be removed and the agent solution, okay। so वो जो बाई प्रोडक्ट वहां पे जनरेट होते हैं, ओके, तो उससे क्या होता है आपके थिन फिल्म में जो मटेरियल था वो एजेंट सॉल्यूशन के साथ मिक्स होकर के नए कंपाउंड जनरेट करता है, ओके ओके ओके, और वो जो कंपाउंड जनरेट होते हैं, ओके, उनको आपको नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या करना होता है, उनको आपको नेक्स्ट स्टेप में वहां से रिमूव करना होता है, ओके ओके। तो रिमूव बेसिकली क्योंकि रिमूव वो अपने आप हो जाता है क्योंकि आपका सब जो ये केमिकल रिएक्शन है सरफेस पे जो हो रही बेसिकली एक इट इज हैपनिंग इनसाइड लिक्विड मीडियम, तो जो भी आपके प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं वो सारे, ओके, so let's write it other way that okay, removed thin film and other products are, let's say, dissolved into the solution and get washed away, okay। So this is a sequence of steps which happens when you when we do etching process, okay okay, so this is wet chemical etching and this part is your steps which happen during the wet chemical etching, okay। steps in wet chemical etching method. Okay. So basically, till now we have discussed what is etching process, and we have two etching processes. One is wet chemical etching, second is the dry etching. Okay, and I already mentioned dry etching is again sometimes it uses sputtering and sometimes it makes use of plasma. Okay, then we have discussed wet chemical etching method. Okay, in this again we have got two techniques. One is immersion method and other is spray method. Okay, so spray method is quite popular in modern techniques. Okay, popular in modern technology. Okay, why it is popular, which is obvious because it ensures that all the time fresh etchant is available at the surface, and so you get good etching rates. Okay, in spray method. Okay. Okay, so with this I will conclude this short lecture, and in next lecture we will be discussing this etching topic further. Okay, see you in other lecture. Okay, thank you.